guys, welcome back to my channel. This video today I'm very excited about. This is the Gerard Cosmetics mystery box. Now I ordered this a few weeks back and they had, I believe, two different sizes. One was a smaller size and that was just for your lips, solely for your lips, nothing else. And then they had a larger size that I paid, I want to say $111 for. And you might be like, oh my God, that's a lot for a mystery box. But the reason I paid that much is because I've been wanting to try Gerard Cosmetics out. I always hear really great things about them. And so I said, go big or go home. So here we are. This is what the inside looks like. So it just tells you about their different products. Hi, beautiful. Thank you so much for your order. Welcome to our Gerard Cosmetics family. We hope this very special delivery has made your day a little bit brighter. And so anyways, and then it is full of squiggly paper, black squiggly paper. So let's get into it. Let's see what I got. I'm really excited, very excited. And as you can tell, I didn't put any lipstick on because they do a lot of lipstick on their website. And so I figure I'm probably going to get quite a bit of lipstick and then some. So I figure why not do a try on while we're here, right? All right, so the first thing in here, and this I think was a guarantee if you got the larger box. I was really excited because teeth whitening kits are very expensive. And so just the fact that I was going to get one included, I was excited for that. So, yeah, it says Whitening Lightning. It gives you the scale of the different shades of teeth. I am not going to compare, but mine need to be whiter. So I was really excited, and I knew I was going to get that. So, yay, I'm going to have to test it out. All right, let's see which lippy I want to do, okay? So this is the first one that's in here. So this is a bullet. The shade is Rodeo Drive. So Rodeo Drive, I would picture being, here's the packaging. Yes, it looks like a vibrator. But I say that about all bullet lipsticks. I feel like the packaging on bullet lipsticks has become very vibrator-esque. And so hence, here's this one. But it's pretty. It's gold, shiny. I would think Rodeo Drive, okay, I'm wrong. But I would have thought it would have been a red shade. That's very pretty. You can tell it's a very matte formula. This is what it looks like. I like that shade a lot. I'm not a bullet type of person, but I would definitely use this shade. So this might be the one, but we'll see what else we got. All right, next in here is this item. And this is Supreme Lip Cream. And the shade is Blooming Hibiscus. Woo! That is bright. She bright. She bright. Anyways, that's real pretty. Actually, you know what? Let me swatch these as I go. So this is Blooming Hibiscus. It's definitely a gloss. Very glossy. Really pretty. Okay, this is Rodeo Drive, which I think is stunning. So that's what Rodeo Drive looks like. Does not smell like anything. The only reason I am checking the smell is because some lip products from different companies, this one has a scent. Kinda. I don't know. But it smells kind of a sweet scent. This one did not have a scent at all. But I've noticed a lot of companies with lippies, they're starting to add scents. And I love it. So, okay. Here's the next thing that's in here. This is Soho. Am I going to feel like a Soho when I wear it? All right. And this one has more of the frosted glass. This looks like it's kind of purple. Matte Metal Soho. So let's see. Oh, she cute. I like that one a lot. So that's that shade. What I might do is Rodeo Drive with Soho on top. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. What else do we have? This is Pink Tiara. And I'm assuming this is another lippy. Oh, this is Bubblegum Pink. Very Barbie. And this is the type of the container they put it in. There's another company that does this. I can't think of which one it is, but they do the mirror on there and I like it a lot. Glamlight. It's Glamlight that does this. But yeah, Pink Tiara. All right. Oh, that is very bubblegum pink. So there's that color. Okay, then we've got, let's see. This is this guy. This is Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil. Ooh, that's really pretty. See that red shade? What color is this? Immortal. I like that shade a lot. That's gorgeous. It's actually one of, oh, looks like I smudged it already. But it's actually one of these instead of just being like a wooden pencil that actually hurts your lips. It's very creamy. So that's that color. If you're wondering why I'm swatching all these, it's number one, because I want to know which shade I'm going to wear, because I have a yellow lip going today, yellow and gold. But also, so you guys can see in case you want to order from Gerard Cosmetics, that way you kind of have an idea. Like, let's say you're looking at these shades online, now you know what they look like when they swatch. So hopefully that helps you guys. All right, so this is Gerard Cosmetics Mystified Hydrating Facial Mist. Okay. Here's that guy. It's cute. It looks kind of like a liquid yogurt. It looks, I don't know, like creamy. Spray before or after your makeup application to keep your skin hydrated and smooth. Fantastic for a parched or dull complexion. Keeps the skin dewy while keeping your makeup fresh and radiant for hours. So let's try it. Actually, let me smell it first, because I think I got a bigger one in here. Okay, this smells just like rose. Okay, like super, like a bouquet of roses. That's what this smells like to me. And I do not care for the smell of roses. I guess I like them, but not as something on my face or body. I like them just on the flower, but nothing else. So I might put this to the side for a giveaway. I have a giveaway coming up, so I'm not going to spray this one. We'll see. Hopefully the other one doesn't smell like rose. All right, so here's this guy. And it is Longwear Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is Mudslide, which happens to be a delicious drink. Thank you very much. This is, again, in the frosted glass. Okay, this is a little bit darker. So that's what Mudslide looks like. It's actually really pretty. But it's definitely like a reddish brown. And again, I'll have to see how all these like dry down. But she cute, she cute. I don't think it'll go good with my look today. Maybe, but I'm not going to use that one. All right, then I think I ordered this. But either way. So this is Gerard Cosmetics. It is Lip Medic. And, oh, the scent is buttercream. Oh, frosted glass again. That's what it looks like. That's really nice. Oh my God, that smells so good. So I put this on my lips before I even get started with the lipstick. This stuff is very thick. It's hard to get into. There we go. This is the thickest lip scrub I've ever used in my life. It feels like a very thick Vaseline consistency. Like normally lip scrubs I can kind of dig in, but this one I had to try a little bit harder to get the product out. But I kind of like it because I can feel like, obviously it's doing the lip scrub. It's a great scent and I can taste it. It doesn't have a bad flavor at all, but it's hydrating the crap out of my lips right now. They really feel like I'm not only doing a lip scrub, but I'm hydrating them. So I actually like this. Yeah, they coated it. It's like a film on them. I like this. I even like it, like, it feels like a lip balm, but with the lip scrub in it, you know? That's a good product. I recommend that. I really do. It feels really good. I'm trying to get all this sugar off my lips. Anyway, moving on. I have a sprayer. So that means I'm correct. I am getting a setting spray. Let's do that one. Okay, so setting spray. And the scent is grapefruit. That's what it looks like. Okay, so the only thing that I have from Gerard Cosmetics before this video was this guy. So if you see this on their website, this was actually a collab they did with Rich Lux. He's a YouTuber that I've been obsessed with and really loved for a long time. And so when they gave him a chance and did a collab with him, I bought it. And it came with 3 different setting sprays, and they're mint chocolate chip and Dreamsicle, and they smell amazing. But I can honestly tell you, I don't know how their setting sprays perform because I kept this as a collector's item. So these setting sprays are still completely full from the day I got them. I know, don't judge me, guys. So I'm excited to try their setting spray is the point. So this is grapefruit, and I've heard theirs are strong. So I'm just gonna, oh my gosh. It is very strong. That's me. It is very strong, but in a good way. Like, it smells so good. Like, you breathe it in and it's like, I don't know. Let me see what's in this. I just felt like my lungs cleared up. As soon as I started spraying this, I felt like everything like opened up in my lungs. Like, almost like there was medicine in it. But the scent is phenomenal too. So I like both. So, and it feels good on my face. I don't see any spotting. I will definitely repurchase this. I love this scent. Okay, so let's see. What is in this that made it feel like that? Menthol. I knew it. There was something to it. This stuff is bomb. This grapefruit scent is really good. Yay. Excited. All right, what's next? I mean, it just like stays with you. I really feel like I've inhaled Vicks Vapor Rub and it's cleared my sinuses. So I would recommend this, like, especially like, I don't know, like getting up in the morning and like doing your makeup routine before work or school or whatever you have going on. Putting that on is like a good wake me up. But I don't know. I love it. And the sprayer was nice. I didn't mind it at all. Okay. So here's this guy. This is Slay Away the Day Makeup Removing Balm. Yes. Yes. Okay. This is the size and this is the packaging. There is a safety seal. I've never used a makeup removing balm, ever. I always use makeup wipes or just like normal face wash or face scrub. I've never used a makeup balm in my life, so why not start now? Why not start with Gerard Cosmetics? By the way, can y'all tell Gerard Cosmetics I would love to be on their PR? I don't ever beg to be on PR. But I just love the influencers they work with, and they just seem like such a great brand. All right, so it's empty. This is the last thing in here. Let's see what it is. You think they'll work with me? No, probably not. But that would be so nice. I would be so happy and lucky and all things, Lord Jesus, Lord. It would just make my 2020. All right, so this is Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder. And the shade is Dorothy. We're not in Kansas anymore. Toto. Oh, she is slick looking. So let's see what this looks like. What is a star powder? Like a plastic. That is cute. I thought it was going to be like a plastic film that came off. This is nice because it stays on there and always protects it. But what are you? Oh, it's buttery. Let me put it. Oh my gosh, I'm over here smearing. Let me put it. This is it right here on my wrist. Does not have a smell, which is good. I have started to smear this with my sleeve, so great. Y'all see that? That's me. A disaster waiting to happen. But let me try to put this on and see. I know I just put freaking setting spray on, but it's okay. See how this would be like as a bronze. Oh, yes. It's like a shimmery bronzer, but in like a good way. It's really pretty. Obviously, I have to blend it, but what do y'all think? I think that's a pretty shade. She pretty. I like that. I love this like so much. That is a sexy palette. Like, the packaging is sick. I love it. It's very natural, right? I love how that looks. Okay, let's pick a lippy. So here's my shades. This one, don't mind it. It's smeared with my sleeve. Okay, I kind of want to try this pinky purple. So maybe I'll look like a Laker fan. I don't know. We'll see. But I think that's really cute. And that was shade Soho. It's very pretty. It has like little speckles of glitter in it. And if y'all don't know by now, or you're new to my channel, I love glitter. So this is gorgeous. I'm going to try to deepen it up. It feels very smooth on the lips. Very pretty. So that's what it looks like. Y'all see like all that shimmer and glitter? That's from this shade. So Soho is actually very pretty. Very natural looking. I think that was meant to be a bronzer. I'm not really sure, but it's very pretty that I put on, and the setting spray was everything. I think that was my favorite thing. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Maybe I should try this lip liner, see how that feels. Wow. This is smooth. I'm not even kidding. It's so smooth. I also want to try this color. We're just going to pile it all on. Shall we? Oh, yes. And I'm not a bullet person, but man, that's pretty. This is Rodeo Drive. Gorgeous. I think I'm going to go back in with that purple with the glitter and put it over it just so I have more glitter coming through. Yes. I love it. What do you guys think? That formula is really pretty. These colors are gorgeous. And I like that, like, for a mystery box, just in case they come out with more in the future, I like that I got a selection. Like, I got a wild pink. I got this baby pink. I got a red lip liner. I've got this very pretty nude shade. I got that purplish pink. I even got the Mudslide shade. Like, I mean, you see it. Like, I've got all types of shades. So I love that for a mystery box, they didn't just give me, like, the crap that was left over for the year. They gave me a chance to really try them out. And I liked every color. Honestly, every color they gave me. Every color. I'm shocked how much I love this bullet. Just because I'm not a bullet person. And that one is phenomenal. This lip liner, if you hear nothing else in this video, this is the creamiest thing ever. And if you're looking to try something from Gerard Cosmetics, I would try one of their lip liners. This really has me curious. I'm not sure if they make eyeliner, but if they do, I want to buy some, for real. And then this baby. Can we just say? Grapefruit is amazing. Love it. All right, guys, tell me what y'all thought of this mystery box. Did y'all think it was worth the money? Don't forget, I also got... Oh, I'm dropping it. Don't forget, I also got this teeth whitening set. Like, I think they did very well. I love it. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it didn't run too long. But I wanted to be able to actually try this stuff on, give you my honest opinion, show you what they gave me with that big mystery box. I think I definitely got my money's worth. This one, again, I'm probably going to put in a giveaway just because it's the rose scented, and I do not care for rose scent at all. So, but that's just a personal preference. Well, I hope you guys loved watching the video. You enjoyed yourself. Please comment below. Tell me what products you liked. If you do use Gerard Cosmetics, what items you've tried, what are your favorites, what are your not so favorite. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. And don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina.